What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another what I wore to work this week. I like doing this series because it holds me accountable of actually trying to get dressed for the week and reworking different pieces in my closet instead of shopping continuously. So last week I incorporated me doing my hair with the Revlon airbrush. So I want to try and do that for every video just so it's not outfit. So this week, my husband and I are trying Healthy Bites. We're actually on our way to go pick up our meals right now. It's Sunday, so you're not gonna get a work outfit yet, but we got lunches for the week. So I opted for the light version, which is 4 ounces, and he's getting the regular one, which is I believe 6 ounces. So there's 2 pickups. I believe it's Sunday and Wednesday. So we're gonna get a couple meals right now, and then we're just gonna go run some errands. So during the week, I will show you guys my outfit in the morning, and then at lunch, I will show you what my meal is during the week. Hey, so we just got home. This is the bag of food right behind me. I just wanted to show you like the package, their label, and all of that stuff. So I was starving. I hadn't eaten yet when Kelly, look at all this food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I was starving when I had walked in there, so they gave me these 2. I think I already ate like 4 or 5 of them. I was really hungry. And then we have, this is a chicken bowl. So basically I pick up 3 meals Sunday, 3 lunches Sunday, and then on Wednesday I'll pick up 3 more. So I'll review these with you guys tomorrow at lunch. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I decided to work from home yesterday. I didn't have too much going on at the office. So today I got a little bit more dressed up for you guys. I am heading into the office right now, and then I have a chamber event this evening. So my first networking event working at, and I'm a new member of the chamber. So that's what the event is for. Today I am wearing this black fitted sweater. It's actually from Fashion Nova. I haven't purchased from them in so long. I've had this sweater for like 3 years, but it's really held up. I love the pearl detail on the sleeves. And then this skirt from Zara. It's a really, really nice length, especially for work. I like that it has the double layer with the ruffles. It just adds a little bit more to it. So you can see it's an appropriate length all the way around. Threw on some tights and my super comfy heels that I wear all the time for work. So here's the lunch all heated up. You can see it has corn, peppers in here, broccoli, which is my favorite, rice, chicken, spinach, carrots, just all kinds of good stuff. So I'm gonna try it right now. My husband picked these up and he's obsessed. I love grapefruit, but not bad. Damn, that's really good. So really good. You can still taste the vegetables, which I prefer. I like vegetables cooked, but I also want to be able to get the flavor of them. And the chicken is really well marinated. It's super tender. Really good. Honestly, 10 out of 10 for my first meal. I like it. Before I forget, and I don't remember if I mentioned this on Sunday when I was going to go do the pickup, but the reason why I wanted to do Healthy Bites is because if I'm sitting in my office all day and I don't have a meeting, I will not leave to get food. I will literally wait until dinner time. And that's so bad, especially if I'm working out in the morning and I have a quick breakfast just to put like protein in my body to repair those torn muscles. I won't eat all day. I'll snack on pretzels or I'll just drink a shit ton of coffee with sugar in it, and it's just not healthy. So I didn't want to have an excuse anymore of why I'm not eating while I'm at work. This really helps me make sure that I am eating like I'm supposed to, and it's healthy. It's not like I'm just running over and getting an Italian grinder or going to KFC every day like I love to do. So this is definitely a healthier option for me, and I'm eating, which is the most important part. Hey guys, it's still Tuesday, but I got a run in my stocking at work. So I changed before the networking event. I just threw on, my mirror is so dirty. Cleaning ladies come tomorrow. I just threw on this black bodysuit from Forever 21. I featured this in a haul a couple months ago. The same earrings that I've been loving wearing all the time. And then I threw on these not slacks, but work pants from H&M. I picked these up in every single color for like $12. And then obviously the comfiest black heels ever. So I'm running out the door right now to the networking event. So today's lunch, Callie's over here licking her lips because it smells so good. Today's, we'll call it a lunch dinner. Has green beans, zucchini, there's chickpeas, rice, ground beef in here. I already know I like this because my husband ate it Monday night and he let me try it and it was really good. He actually ate my portion by accident. So this is a lot of food. And then I made this the other day. It's a tomato, cucumber, and mozzarella with balsamic and olive oil salad. So I'm eating this for dinner. This is supposed to be Friday's meal, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat it now. This is the zoodles, I'm pretty sure. Ground turkey, oh my God, I'm so hungry, I can't even think. Turkey, I'll leave it all in the description box, and then it came with pasta. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I know that this video has been more food than looks, so I apologize, but I promise I'm getting dressed for work today. So I threw on this turtleneck sweater from H&M, and then I have on black Topshop denim and these brand new boots. I wish I had high-rise black jeans that don't have distressing, but oh well. These boots I got from Express. You will see them in an Express haul coming up. I paid $15 for these boots. They were originally $88. My life is seriously a joke sometimes. So I was just on my way to, ooh, that doesn't look cute, to my lunch meeting, and I went to shake up my coffee and it went flying all over my white sweater and my tan jacket. So I stopped home to change. I'm still in the same boots, the same jeans. I just threw on a black turtleneck. Yeah, I hate my life. And I'm gonna throw on another new jacket to break up the black and tie in the boots. So I'll show you that right now. So here it is with the camel jacket on. Happy Friday, everyone. This is the last look in this week's work lookbook. I am at the office alone all day today. No meetings, no clients, nothing. So I just threw on a pair of jeans, this white Abercrombie bodysuit. It's long sleeves, so I just want to be cuddled up and warm. And then this beautiful cardigan that I just got from Express. It will be featured in an Express haul coming up. So I'll show you guys my last Healthy Bite meal for the week. No, I won't, because that was the last thing I filmed. I am sorry that this video was such like a chop shop production. Yeah, so that was the last outfit in my work week lookbook, and I didn't eat the last 2 meals either on film. So thank you guys so much for watching this shit show of a production.